Hi everyone, it's the SBR Roofing team here again today with another project highlight for you. This time we're on Santa Monica Boulevard in the heart of West Hollywood. So this building is a commercial building, multiple tenants, several of which have been having leaks. The owners had tried repairs, they'd even done some sectional re-roofing, but eventually they realized it was time to get serious about the roof, and that's when they called us. Before we get into the details of this project, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you'd like to hear more commercial roofing tips, insights we have to offer, and some behind the scenes footage. So this roof had several challenges. With a commercial property including 2 restaurants below, there was a lot of equipment on the roof. We had air conditioners, we had refrigeration compressors, we had exhaust units, and we had grease fans. Not to mention extensive runs of cable and conduit to service all those units. We had to come up with a way to work around all that equipment and those challenges when installing our new roof. So to eliminate the problems once and for all, we tore off the existing roofing down to the wood substrate and started fresh. We installed a new APP modified bitumen roof system, detailing all the pipes, equipment corners, parapet walls, drains, all the details properly to ensure that this roof was lasting and watertight for years to come. The end result is a clean, durable, lasting roofing system that's going to give the owner and the tenants peace of mind for many years to come. If you've been dealing with recurring leaks, patches, repairs, things that never seem to last or just work the way you want, be sure to give SBR Roofing a call. We specialize in commercial and multifamily projects.